Ganda, nakaka-fluid ng movement. Ang lambot. Naalala ko nung 80s, di ba? Kuya Randy G, yung strat-strat.
Saka gusto ko yung nag-move na parang merong machine sa ilalim.
Oo, parang may tubig lang.
Oo, parang walang ka-effort, di ba?
Alam niyo ba, ang makatalo sa amin ay tiyan. Marami pong nag-react about kayo nanalo. Hindi kayo. Sana nanalo kami. Pero okay lang na yun. Ako pa lang. Ako na kayo nasakto mo kung
The dancing duo of Pure Life, please give it up for Tokyo and Sachi. Tokyo and Sachi. There you go. Dito na sa ating gabi. Okay, now let's talk to our okay, direct. Napanood mo sila sa muli?
Wala ako dito
sa
nung
TV, you weren't here. Oh.
yeah, I wasn't here. It was Randy who was here. Pero napanood ko sa TV and I was really shocked na hindi sila nanalo.
Right.
Kasi I really thought they were really good. You know what makes you outstanding as a dance duo, no? Hindi kayo yung pangkaraniwang street dancers. There's a lot of energy, a lot of jumping around. What they do is what you call in jazz or dance isolation.
Okay.
Lahat ng parte ng katawan natin may division. And they are able to use the different parts of their body to create motion and movement. That's intelligent. And that's an art form. So hindi lang siya street dancing, it's real dance, I think. And very subtle, polished, malinis tingnan, mukhang professional. Good.
All right. Thank you very much, Greg. Christy.
I love them both. They're so cute. Sino yung choreographer sa inyong dalawa?
Hati.
Hate. Kasi parang silang Japanese robotics eh.
Right.
Oo, fluid. And I really had fun just watching them. Okay kayo. I love it.
All right. Thank you very much, Christy. Okay.
Okay, action na. Lalo na yung unang-una yung opening, yung parang sumikeme ganyan, dahan-dahan na parang nagmamagic, hindi makasilihan. Pero ang comment ko lang, may comment ako, live lang. Sana nag-end din kayo sa ganun kasing opening. Ang ganda kasi, ang ganda ng umpisa, sana in-end rin ng ganun pasabo. Naintindihan nyo?
Thank you very much, Stan Scott. All right. Thank you very much, Sophia and Sachi. We enjoyed the performance. It's honored to have you jury now. Good luck. Thank you. Okay. Muntik ka ng manalo ng sequence.